a very delicious rice with sushi fish. Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to cook a rice with sushi fish. So, nag-marinate na po ako ng fish for around 30 minutes and then nagluto po ako ng rice for around 20 minutes in a very low heat. Nung maluto na yung kanin, so in-add-on ko na yung fish. And then, paisa-isa ko po siyang nilagay and after ko malagay lahat, tinakpan ko po siya ng 2 to 3 minutes and a very low heat. Then I cover it up and after 2 to 3 minutes, I open and so after that, nilagyan ko na po ng apoy na yung isda para lumabas yung oil niya para lalong sumarap yung kanin. So easy lang po guys. Hintay lang natin na maging golden brown yung fish para mas lalo siyang malasa. Yan lang po, just need a little patient doing it and napakadaling lutuin guys. Parang nagsaing ka lang tapos nilagay mo na lang yung isda, pero kailangan mo lang siyang i-marinate para mas masarap. So pagkatapos nito, naglagay na ako ng tawag nito, so this is the result guys. Yung pinakalas na nilagay ko is yung green onions para lalo siyang mas maganda and super tasty. Thank you for watching.